Hi there, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how you can blur sensitive information using the Screencastify editor. So to start, you'll want to make sure that your video is imported into the editor timeline. Once you have that video that you'd like to blur, you can go ahead and select it and you'll see that yellow box appear around the image. And once you select that video clip that you'd like to use, you can go ahead and move your cursor to the place that you want the blur to start. And don't worry, you can always change this later. So I want it to start around here. I'm going to go ahead and click the blur tool. And you can see that it shows up on that timeline. You can move it anywhere you want. You can lengthen it. You can shorten it. So once you click on that tool, you have some more editing options. You can move it around, expand. You can increase the intensity and you can decrease the intensity. So that's just for if you want to be able to see some information. It really depends on your preference. So you're also able to add multiple blur objects into a part of your video. So if you add one more, I can go ahead and block the name for, security, privacy reasons. It's definitely helpful when you have some sensitive information you don't want to share to everyone that you're sharing your video with. So you can go ahead and click done once you have the preferred blurs. I want it to be a little bit longer. So as you can see, those parts of my video, those blurs are in there. So yes, that is how you can use the blur tool to blur sensitive information using the Screencastify editor. Thanks for watching.